Today I will show you different ways how to zoom in or out in Figma. So the most simple way to zoom in or out is to hold control button on a keyboard and use scroll wheel on mouse. So you use scroll wheel while you're holding the control button. That's the most easiest way. The second way is to hold control button plus minus button on keyboard to zoom out. And you hold control button plus button to zoom in. Now there are also a few different ways to zoom in or out in Figma. You go to main menu and you click view. Under the view you have different options for zooming in or out. So for example we have zoom to selection. So let's say we want to zoom to this heading. We go to main menu, view, and we need to click Shift plus 2 to zoom to selection. Shift plus 2 and we zoomed in into this heading. And that's it.